Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to mute Instagram profiles on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play and update the Instagram app to the latest version on your Android device. Step 2. Launch the Instagram app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 3. Navigate to the profile of the user you want to mute. Step 4. Tap on the following tab on the user's profile. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Muti button. Step 6. Click on the Muti button and select the Notes option. And that's it. You have successfully muted the profile on Instagram. By muting a profile, you won't see their posts and stories in your feed, but you'll still be following them. This feature can be helpful if you want to temporarily hide someone's content without unfollowing them. If you ever change your mind, you can always unmute the profile by following the same steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.